All right, here we are at Rattle's garden, one of our favorite farms. We've got cosmos and zinnias in this pollinator field, and it's just part of the whole ecosystem here. And let's go find Tara to learn a lot more about it.
My name is Tara Stainton and my farm's name is Rattle's Garden. We are one of the only certified organic farms in central Arkansas, and we grow cut flowers and specialty vegetables. You know, for us the big difference is that we don't use a whole lot of chemical control for fungus or for pests. So no insecticides and no fungicides, very little disease control. And so we probably lose more than most other farms, but it's a way that we feel is really safe to grow for our family and for our community.
So we are out here at your pollinator field, and this is something that I saw on Facebook that you put a picture, and I said, we've got to get out there and see this for ourselves. It's hard to probably see from the camera, but the flowers are absolutely moving everywhere, from butterflies and bees and stuff. What makes you plant this field?
It's fantastic, isn't it?
It is fantastic.
I mean, that's why I plant it, because it's fantastic. But when we started planting it, I did it because I wanted pictures. I love flowers. We sell flowers at market, and I wanted pictures. But what we started noticing just a couple years in was how attracted our pollinators were to this whole field. And what we noticed 2 years ago is we really started gaining a lot of monarchs as they migrate in the fall, and we'd see them coming just over the sky, way up high, and our field would just be covered up in monarchs. We always like hummingbirds, butterflies, anything like that. So I thought, you know, if we do this and we do this in the fall and we pick a field that we're already not doing something else in, you know, then it gives us some benefit and we're helping out things that we really like.
So in farming practices, what you're talking about letting it go, that's letting it go fallow, giving the ground a break, a rest for a season or a time period to just kind of recover from taking things out of it, right?
Definitely, definitely. And like for us in our organic certification, we follow a really strict 3-year crop rotation. And so we're trying not to put the same family of vegetables in a field for more than every 3 years at a time, every 3rd or 4th year. And so I always try to pick a field where I don't have a vegetable I can really put in it in the fall, and we're not doing anything else in it, but we really want to use it because it's good ground and it's pretty and we can do it. And
well, it is pretty.
And so we do it.
It's gorgeous.
And to be honest, like, it doesn't take this long. This is not a lot of work, you know? I mean, we pick it a good time. It's like 2 hours worth of tractor work. It's $100 worth of seeds, and I get this. And then that's all I do. I don't water. I don't do anything else.
And it's great for pollinators. What all pollinator species have you seen out here?
Oh, tons of butterflies, lots of bees and wasps. You know, we keep bees on the farm. I'm not a beekeeper, but I have a beekeeper. And so we know that we're providing for the bees that are on our farm, but we also have so many different types of wasp species and other types of pollinators. This has been something that has been a great learning experience too for my kids, because I think some kids can naturally, you know, wasps and bees, they buzz, and it's natural for us to try to get away from them, right? And kids are no different. So my kids used to be really afraid of wasps, and I'm like, stand right here. You can stand right here in the middle of them, and they're just working around you. And so my 10-year-old, he likes it. He'll pick a bee and he'll try to follow it. You know, he wants to see where it's going and what it's doing.
What a learning experience.
Right?
I've got my kids out here right now, and they're just walking around the farm. It's just so good for the soul, just to be outside with nature. Thank you, Tara, so much for letting us come out. We've got to see this beautiful field. We've got an apiary we're going to here soon and learn more about honey, and so this is a perfect, you know, segue into that. Tell us a little bit about the other products that you've got in that farm share.
For our farm share, we grow anything that you can grow in an Arkansas garden throughout the year. I think I've told y'all before, we don't grow melons and we don't grow sweet corn because they're really hard to grow organically, but we grow lots of tomatoes, cucumbers, squash, okra, green beans, anything you can grow in an Arkansas garden. And so we are at a point in our season right now where we're just pulling out all of our summer stuff. We're replanting for the fall, and we start back up again pretty hard in the middle of September is when we start harvesting.
And in the background we can hear the chickens. So y'all do eggs.
We do eggs. Yep. We have about 150 laying hens at a given time, and so we produce colored eggs, colorful eggs.
Colorful eggs.
Yes.
So brown, green, white, yellow,
Yes.
all of them.
Fully free range. Y'all can
Love
see
it.
them, and they are fantastic.
Well, again, Tara, thank you.
You're
Thank you for letting us come out and letting my kids run around on a farm.
I'm so glad they did.
Warms the heart.
Yep.
Wrapping up a great day here in Bologna at Rattle's garden. The chickens, the chicken tractor, how she moves this around, seeing how it's related to the bees and bugs that are out here and all that they're doing. Not to mention, the kiddos got to run around and have a good time out on a farm. If y'all like what we're doing, let us know. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.